Years of Nintendo Switch 2 speculation, leaks, and theories come to an end. The Nintendo Switch 2 was just officially announced on January 16th on Nintendo's very own YouTube channel, and it looks beautiful. As of me making this video, the technical specs for the Switch 2 have been revealed, so now we have a pretty good grasp on the following: the technical specifications, the Switch 2, the notable changes in its overall design, a new game releasing with the Switch 2, more on that later, and some of the games that the Switch 2 will and will not support. The Nintendo Switch 2 sports a notable upgrade in size from the default Nintendo Switch, with a thinner screen bevel and even larger Joy-Cons. The screen size has been upgraded from a 6.2-inch display to an 8-inch 1080p IPS LCD display. It sports an 8-core Cortex processor, 12GB of DDR5X RAM, 256GB of 3.1 internal storage, a custom graphics unit based on NVIDIA's RTX 30 series Ampere, 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and an SD Express slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a 60-watt power draw and support for the latest HDMI standards. Basically, the Switch 2 is expected to be far more capable than its predecessor in every way, very much comparable performance to that of the Steam Deck. The Joy-Cons, aside from the upgrade in size, have, at least for now, been shown to be all black, with slight accents around the joysticks and on the sides, where they will seemingly magnetically lock into the console. There are even bigger release buttons on the back to unlock your Joy-Cons. Maybe with the new Joy-Con upgrades, there won't be that abysmal controller drift anymore. Disclaimer: I have in no way ever experienced controller drift, and I'm only making a joke based on the complaints of other, more frequent Nintendo Switch players. They even seemingly have buttons on the sides. Who knows what they'll do? The console itself has an all-new finish over the whole system, rather than that all-plastic finish, and even has an adjustable stand now. As for the dock, aside from the power supply upgrades, the dock now sports a new, softer, round-edged design. I like it a lot. Mario Kart 9, revealed in the new Switch 2 trailer, will be coming and will be compatible with a record-breaking 24 players. Let it be known, I do not play the Mario Kart games, but I do know someone who is very excited for the new release. The Nintendo Switch 2 reveal trailer announced that not only will the Switch 2 exclusive games be available, but even the original Switch games will be available as well. Physical and digital downloads supported. However, let it be known, not all Switch games will be available on the Switch 2. Those of which being games that require IR sensor technology, which will not be supported on the Switch 2. Some examples are WarioWare Move It, Ring Fit Adventure, Nintendo Labo, and 1-2 Switch. That's about all we know regarding the Switch 2 for now, until the Nintendo Direct on April 2nd. I personally love it. I think that the Switch 2 will be incredible. And if I didn't already own a Switch, and, not play it much anyways, I would immediately sink money into it. I'm excited for it. I think everything we know so far sounds great. Anyway, will you be getting a Switch 2 when it comes out? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what else you'd like to see from me. I have a lot of video ideas, and I might even put some down below in the comments or the description of this video. That being said, have a wonderful day.